I'm a big fan, by the way. Babaita Morgan Heritage. Babaita, they are the heritage. Never Babaita Morgan Heritage. No, Beba Morgan Heritage. Walo Gramps Morgan, yeah, Morgan Heritage. Beba Morgan. Abasinga bamanyi ennyimba zaba Morgan. Yeah. Aba Jamaica abo bali mu African tour era babaddeko mu Uganda ekiro kya jo, they are in the country naye nga nabo bongera kutambuza kye bayita EP yaabwe naye ku mulundi guno bakoze ennyimba n'Abafirika era Uganda is proud to have 2 artists feature on their EP era muno mulimu Eddie Kenzo wamu ne Dr. Jose Chameleone. They called and they worked on something ne bakolayo oluyimba bonna bayina ne Chameleone ate bayina ne Eddie Kenzo. So twabadde nabo ekiro kyejjo okwongera okunyonyoka why they chose to do the songs with our own Eddie Kenzo ne Chameleone. However, Chameleone and Kenzo didn't appear yesterday mu EP. I don't know what didn't happen, right? Naye tubalina aba Jamaica wano katsoke tubulire ku mboozi yaabwe before we can connect to the break.
Why the title Homeland?
Homeland is just a nod to our ancestors in Africa, our parents from Jamaica. And you know, it took about 4 years to put the project together.
Yeah. Homeland is special because, you know, everyone has a homeland. Whether you come from Mexico, Germany, France, Uganda, you know, you have a place that you call home. So for us to be able to see home in Africa and connect our home in Jamaica musically, culturally, it's a once-in-a-lifetime project for us. We've never done it before and we'll probably never do it again. So we're really excited about playing the music for you guys tonight, and I hope everyone that is here enjoys it, and when it drops on April 21st, everyone go out and get it.
Singles we're not sure yet, but we have the likes of Shaggy, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Stoneboy, Eddie Kenzo, Jose Chameleone, Shatta Wally, Yuso Indoor, Alpha Blondie, Popcorn, Capleton, so much more.
Well, most of them are our friends. Anyone that we didn't know came through close relationships, whether it was a publicist or a distributor or a promoter. We didn't have a criteria. When we were finalizing the different songs, the music told us the different artists that we could feature on the songs, and we reached out to people, and everyone just showed us love, and we're grateful to everyone that collaborated with us on this album, from the songwriters to the artists to the producers, the musicians, the engineers. Thanks for making it happen. The Homeland. Well, this album is not a reggae album. We have a few reggae songs, and we have the different sounds across Africa meeting the sounds from Jamaica in reggae and dancehall. So we have quite a few songs with Jose Chameleone now, so we couldn't do an album like this and not feature him. And Gramps met Eddie Kenzo on the red carpet at the Grammys, so they became friends, and naturally it was just, yeah, definitely. We're coming straight from the video shoot with Eddie Kenzo for the song on the album.
We're not really expecting anything. We want to just present ourselves on the new album.
Yeah?
Yeah.